Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD assembly tutorial how to use distance join. So we have these example models, and if you want to change the distance between these two objects, you can use the distance join. Go to assembly, make sure active objects, and you can click these icons, distance join. I will select at this face and also at this face. Next, you can use this distance value to create the distance between the two objects, like this as example. And if you're done, you can click OK. Now the object will be moved into the center point, so you can right click in the object body 2, and then you can click transforms, click OK to set the distance join. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorial, how to use the distance join. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.